Concept cars are where automakers let their imaginations run wild. But every so often, a design is so close to reality that it almost escapes the auto show floor and lands in your driveway. Over the past few decades, several bold concept cars came within inches of production, capturing public attention, reshaping brand identities, and in some cases, quietly influencing the vehicles we drive today. One of the most talked about examples is the Chrysler ME112, a mid-engine supercar unveiled in the mid-2000s with reported plans for a quad-turbo V12 and performance numbers that rivaled Ferrari at the time. According to industry reports, engineering hurdles, cost concerns, and a shifting corporate strategy ultimately shelved the project. But many designers believe it proved that American brands could still dream big. Then there was the Cadillac Scene, a dramatic wedge-shaped supercar concept celebrating Cadillac's 100th anniversary. Experts at the time noted that while the design language directly influenced Cadillac's later lineup, the car itself was deemed too expensive and impractical for mass production, especially as the market moved away from ultra-low supercars. Some concepts were bold in a different way, like the Volkswagen XL1, which actually did make it to limited production after years as a concept, showing how extreme fuel efficiency could look futuristic rather than boring. Others weren't so lucky, such as the Ford GT90, a 1990s concept powered by a rumored quad-turbo V12 that previewed Ford's new Edge design language, but was considered far too complex and costly to build. Automotive historians often point to the Pontiac Banshee as one of the biggest what-if stories in American car history. Multiple Banshee concepts appeared over decades, and insiders have suggested they were canceled to avoid competing with the Chevrolet Corvette, a reminder that internal politics can be just as powerful as engineering realities. Even more recently, electric and autonomous concepts, like BMW's Vision M Next, sparked widespread excitement by promising supercar performance with electrified drivetrains, but shifting regulations, battery costs, and changing consumer priorities reportedly pushed those dreams further into the future. Some experts argue that concept cars are never meant to be built exactly as shown, serving instead as rolling test beds for ideas, materials, and technologies, while others note that public reaction to these designs often pressures automakers to take bigger risks in their production models. In fact, many features we now take for granted, from advanced infotainment layouts to aggressive LED lighting signatures, first appeared on concepts that were never sold. What makes these near-production concepts so fascinating is not just what they were, but what they represent. Moments when the industry stood at a crossroads, deciding whether to play it safe or take a leap. While market forces, safety regulations, and profitability usually win, these bold machines remind us that innovation often starts with a dream that almost, but not quite, became real. And that's something worth remembering the next time you see a wild concept car spinning slowly under bright auto show lights.